Okay, what's up guys? Spiteflies the Freak here. Just gonna show the Anima Ring collection of the new season. These are all the Anima Rings, feel free to pause and yeah. I've also seen some comments, or a comment or two, on secret rings for useless rock and how to get Inferno Hero. I'm pretty sure in order to get Inferno Hero, it's something to do with the Fire Forge, I think. Same thing with the useless rock, but you need useless rock to get Inferno Hero, I believe. It's like kind of a double thing. So you gotta. I think you can get it in Night Scream. I can't remember. Um, maybe it's Night Scream or Legend. I think both work. I know you can't do it in hard. It never appears in hard. So it's either Night Scream or Legend mode. You gotta do it in, and you have to make sure you know, unlock it through the codex, or however it tells you need to unlock it or whatever it requires. But the main thing is that you do need useless rock. So yeah, that is all. Thank you and see ya. Peace out.